Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you will be fine. It's grade 5 and I am your social studies. Dear students, today our topic is our culture. Firstly, I will tell you that what is culture. Culture refers to the belief, values, behavior, material object that together form a people's way of life. Culture includes the traditions we inherit and pass on the next generation, and culture determines how we view the world around us. So all these things are including in the culture. Now we're discussing the components of the culture. कि components of the culture क्या होते हैं? All culture have a 5 common components: symbol, language, values and belief, norms, material culture including technology and non-material culture. इन तमाम चीज़ों से मिलकर जो कल्चर है किसी भी नेशन का वो बनता है. The human societies have developed ways to express themselves through their art, music, dance, religion, and the use of the technologies. Cooking, building, and clothing. Every country has its own culture, and a culture consists of a physical object. Now we are going to discuss the Pakistani culture. कि पाकिस्तानी कल्चर क्या है, पाकिस्तानी कल्चर में क्या क्या चीज़ें शामिल हैं. The culture of Pakistan is a very diverse, with each ethnic group deriving its identity from its characteristics, culture, values, and norms, which eventually make it distinct from other. Dear students, as you know that now we are going to discuss the culture of Pakistan. So first one is its language. Different ethnic groups speak their own languages, but Urdu, the official language, is spoken and understood all over the Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में क्योंकि डिफरेंट जो है प्रोविंसेस हैं और वहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ ज़ुबानें बोली जाती है, बट द नेशनल लैंग्वेज इज़ उर्दू लैंग्वेज एंड मैनी पीपल स्पीक इंग्लिश. द प्रोविंसेस एंड regions within them have their own distinct language such as Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Saraiki, Brohi, Sheena, Kashmiri and more. Over 70 languages are spoken in Pakistan. इट इज़ कॉमन बिलीफ कि पाकिस्तान में तकरीबन 70 किस्म की जो ज़ुबानें हैं वो बोली जाती हैं. हाउएवर फ्रॉम क्लैरिटी मोस्ट institutional and organizations use the national language, that is our Urdu. Next come the family. The extended family is extremely important to most Pakistani. Loyalty to the family is strong and family's trust protect the values their member. And women like men have the right to work in any profession to manage their own business, and there are well represented in government and the other key roles. पाकिस्तानी कल्चर की सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात जो है वो फैमिली है, फैमिली बॉन्डिंग है. यहाँ पर लोग एक साथ रहते हैं और यहाँ पर मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स को इक्वली अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है ऑफ वर्किंग. नाउ कम टू द फूड. फॉर एट least 1,000 years, wheat and rice have been grown and consumed in the Indus Valley, and meat and spices such as turmeric, cardamom, mustard, and the black pepper are part of our culture cuisine. Fish is a traditional food in our coastal area. अब different regions की different kind of food है. like पंजाब में कुछ और food जो है वो बनाई जाती हैं. इसी तरीके से सिंध में और KPK में और एंड बलोचिस्तान. After food, now we are going to discuss the clothing. That which type of clothing Pakistani are used to wear. Traditional shalwar kameez is the accepted dress for women in Pakistan, and men also wear shalwar and kameez, but in Punjab, men in the village wear the lungi and kurta, and in Sindh and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, many women wear a chadar. In cities, many men, especially those who work for a large companies wear trousers and shirt. But now if we say that what is the national dress of our Pakistan, the national dress of our Pakistan is the shalwar kameez. Now come to the sports. Cricket as a sport is very popular in all cities of Pakistan. In the rural areas of Punjab, kabaddi is a favorite sport. And in the northern areas, especially Gilgit Baltistan, polo is played and hockey is our national game. पाकिस्तान में मुख्तलिफ तरह की जो स्पोर्ट्स हैं, गेम्स हैं, वो खेली जाती हैं, बट पाकिस्तान की नेशनल गेम है हॉकी, और इसके अलावा क्रिकेट भी खेली जाती है, और कबड्डी जो है वो फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स है इन पंजाब. इसी तरह से गिलगित एंड बल्तिस्तान की जो गेम है, जो स्पोर्ट्स है जो वहाँ पर ज़्यादातर खेली जाती है, वो है पोलो. Now come to the art and craft. Pakistan has a rich traditions of craft and handiwork, and many of these came from the tribal culture who developed distinctive style over the time. Some examples are handcrafted Balochi shawls, shoes, mirror works of the Sindh region and Kashmiri embroidery and beadwork. पाकिस्तान के हैंडीक्राफ्ट जो है वो पूरी दुनिया में बहुत ज़्यादा मशहूर है, और मुख्तलिफ रीजन्स की मुख्तलिफ अपनी स्पेशलिटीज़ हैं. लाइक बलूचिस्तान में बलोची शूज़ एंड मिरर वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा मशहूर है. इसी तरीके से कश्मीरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड द बीड वर्क बहुत मशहूर है. इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान के सूबा पंजाब में मीनाकारी बहुत ज़्यादा मशहूर है. Now we are going to discuss the culture in the different provinces. But first we are going to discuss the Punjabi culture. And Punjabi culture is regarded as one of the oldest in world history. And Punjab culture is a culture of Punjab people who are now in different region of the world. अब पाकिस्तान में जो मौजूद पंजाबी कल्चर है, जो कि इसके सूबा पंजाब से एसोसिएट है, वो दुनिया की बहुत पुरानी कल्चर्स में से एक कल्चर है. Punjabi dressing. The people of Punjab wear clothes having mixed colors, which is regarded as beauty, and they usually use dress called pulkari, which have mixed color. And in Punjab, male often use the pagri. Now we are going to discuss that what type of clothes Punjabi people wear. The people of Punjab wear clothes having mixed colors, which regarded as beauty, and they usually use dress called pulkari, which have mixed color. In Punjab, male often use the pagri, dhoti, khussa, and shalwar kameez, which is also the national dress of our country. And in this picture, you can see that which type of clothes a Punjabi people wear. Now come to the Punjabi food. Punjab has wide range of their cooking material, which is popular like makki di roti and sarson da saag. And Punjab food includes Lahori pulao, chicken kadahi, aloo gosht, pie, golgappe, and many others different food. Now the Punjab wedding tradition, Punjabi culture have many ceremonies in marriage. Punjabi festival, there are many kind of different festivals that in Punjab people are celebrated. And now come to the introduction of our culture in Sindh. Sindhi language, there are 5 languages spoken in Sindh. There are Sindhi, Lassi, Kuchi, Thari, and Sindhi Saraiki. Sindh is the third most common. Now come to the culture of the Sindh. Sindhi language, there are 5 languages spoken in the Sindh. There are Sindhi, Lassi, Kachhi, Thari and Sindhi Saraiki. And Sindhi is the third most common language spoken in Pakistan after Punjabi and Pashto. So you know that the Sindhi language जो है पाकिस्तान की तीसरी जो लैंग्वेज है जो सबसे ज़्यादा बोली और समझी जाती है इन पाकिस्तान रीजन. Now, Sindhi dressing. Sindhi people wear the loose kameez and shalwar, and people of Sindh love to wear the Sindhi topi. That is the most common feature of Sindhi culture. And Sindhi costumes have a different styles of embroidery, and some women use ajrak and dupattas. Now, come to the Sindhi food. In typical Sindhi wedding, the food is mostly the Sindhi mutton, curry, palak, chana dal and etc. And there is a different kind of a festival that is celebrated in the Sindh province. After Sindhi culture, now we are discussing in the Baloch culture. Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan by geographical areas, approximately 48% of Pakistan. And Balochi culture is primarily tribal and conservatives. बलोची ड्रेसिंग. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि बलोचिस्तान में लोग किस तरह की ड्रेसिंग किस तरह की क्लोथ्स जो है वो पहनना पसंद करते हैं. देयर ड्रेस कोड इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. शलवार कमीज एंड टर्बन्स एंड women like to wear the frocks and shalwar, and their jewelry is made of metal which has a great attraction for them. Balochi food. Balochi dry fruits are very famous all over the world, and their special item saji is liked and loved by a lot, and they also eat roasted lamb and mutton. There is a different kind of languages. मुख्तलिफ तरह की जो ज़ुबानें हैं जो कि बलोचिस्तान में बोली जा रही हैं, जिनमें हैं बलोची, उर्दू, पश्तो, बरोही are the provisional language of Balochistan, and Balochi is the main language spoken in Balochistan. Caves of Balochistan. पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ सूबों में चूँकि मुख्तलिफ गेम्स खेली जाती हैं, इसी तरीके से पाकिस्तान के सूबा बलूचिस्तान में भी बहुत सी गेम्स जो हैं वो खेली जाती हैं. Now the culture of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It was formerly known as the North West Frontier Province. इसको पहले NWFP कहा जाता था, लेकिन अब इसका नाम जो है वो है खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. इन उर्दू इट वॉज कॉल्ड अ सरहद. NWFP को जो उर्दू में कहा जाता था वो था सरहद. एंड NWFP ऑफिशियली नेम्ड एज KPK ऑन थर्सडे 15th April 2010 by the 18th Amendment in Constitution of Pakistan. Its capital and largest city is Peshawar. खैबर पख्तूनख्वा या KPK में मुख्तलिफ जो हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस हैं, और वो कौन सी हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस हैं? इस्लामिया कॉलेज, इलियासी मस्जिद, दरा खैबर एंड हाउस ऑफ दिलीप कुमार. Language of KPK. There are 9 languages spoken in the KPK, but 2 main languages are Pashto and Hindko. Now the dressing, there are the following dress code. Man shalwar kameez with waistcoat, and women wear the frocks. And the last, we can say that Pakistan is a multicultural society, and Pakistan is a nation of over 207 million people. Being from Pakistan make us Pakistani, and though we may share many cultural aspects with many of our fellow citizens, we will also have differences as explored above. जो कि हम पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ शोबों में मुख्तलिफ कल्चर जो है उसे अडॉप्ट किया गया है, और जिसको हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. The Muslim faith is a part of our society, yet we also have minority groups of other faith, and Urdu is the national language, but most people use at least one other language. The rice is a staple food in Pakistan, but many people can now choose to eat bread, potatoes, or noodles. In this way and more, we are the multicultural society. The increasing amount of international trade and travel combined modern communication technologies expose people to more culture. पाकिस्तान इज़ अ मल्टी कल्चरल सोसाइटी जिसमें मुख्तलिफ़ तरह की ज़ुबानें बोली जा रही हैं, मुख्तलिफ़ तरह के खाने जो कि ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड भी यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं, वही पाकिस्तान में भी इस्तेमाल किए जा रहे हैं और वही ज़ुबानें और वही कल्चर अडॉप्ट किए हुए हैं हम भी. मल्टी कल्चरल सोसाइटी हैज़ मैनी अदर एडवांटेजेस. People learn to experience different ways of life. For example, they learn about other people languages, art, tradition and behaviors, and they develop a better understanding and tolerance of other culture. In a multicultural society, people learn to live peacefully even among the differences. अब मल्टी कल्चरल सोसाइटी होने का सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा जो है वो ये है कि पीपल जो हैं, लोग जो हैं वो मुख्तलिफ़ नेशंस के एक्सपीरियंस से भी सीखते हैं और मुख्तलिफ़ सोसाइटीज़ के कल्चर को अडॉप्ट भी करते हैं और उनकी जो अच्छी नॉर्म्स हैं, अच्छी रवायात हैं, उनको भी फॉलो करते हैं. That's all. I hope students that you understand the culture and the provincial culture in Pakistan. Thank you.